Alright, now I'm going to show you the pool area. Beautiful pool area. I like how this is covered. Quite a bit of it's covered. You can tell by the sectional there. Nice window. Screen and enclosure. The pool does have a little fountain where the silver piece is. It's usually running. And as you can see, big enough to have a table out here and stuff. This is already set up for small pups, so that will help you also. And it does back up against the preserve area. They have a little bird feeder and stuff out there. And very nice property. I love the pool, real pretty. Easy maintenance. It does have tile roof and no trees or vines, which is a huge plus for my client.